Asa-Punk is our radio refuge, Asa-Punk.
In 2021.
Yeah, there he is. Look at that. Can't see him doing it. It's so dark in here, but that seems to be some kind of stork. I can't tell what kind of stork it is. Stork or crane or something. I think looks too thin to be a duck or anything, but I saw it moving earlier. It's moving a little bit now. Can't tell what it looks almost like a snake. There we go. It's not a snake, that's a bird. Never seen that bird here before. I know, it seems to be hiding from us. Yeah. I think hiding. Oh, there it is. Well, maybe I'll go up where I can see it. Sorry for the grainy look, but it's like 1:20 in the morning in the park and all the lights are out pretty much. Spook it, but I want to go closer so I can see what it is. But there we are, mystery bird. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, seems to be a crane of some sort. After reviewing the footage, I am pretty convinced that what we have here is a majestic blue heron. Now here's some pictures I took off the internet of great blue herons. And I'm pretty sure that matches up with our mystery bird. Sort. Anybody know what that outline is? Those are the rules, by the way. Lake rules. The birds obeying them all. Yeah, look at that beauty. I don't know what he is, she is, whatever. Maybe a heron of some sort? I don't know the types of birds so well. Blue heron. Kind of grayish blue in color. Look at my new bird. I'm just watching you. I'm glad I saw you tonight, man. I've never seen you before. Huh. Mystery lake monster. A majestic creature. We finally caught Heathcliff on film. Let's see if we can look over here. Now look, if we drive over that way, we'll probably see his eyes reflect. There we go. Glowing kitty eyes. Yeah, see? There he is. I stay at a distance, I don't want to spook him. He just got fed, that little Heathcliff. Oh, there we are. Yeah. There he goes, back into his bush. I did see Kitty with him earlier. Or her. I don't know what they are, but they live in those bushes. Listen, and good night, you beautiful beasts.